Did you know that a single, just strategic home upgrade can actually recoup nearly twice its cost when it's time to sell? And that some simple DIY projects can yield returns that rival or even surpass major renovations? For many homeowners, the idea of doubling their home's value conjures up visions of costly, months-long construction projects or the need for a complete overhaul of every room. But the truth is, you don't need a massive budget or a construction crew to dramatically increase your property's market appeal. In fact, some of the most impactful changes are accessible to anyone willing to invest a little time and elbow grease. Today, let's explore the world of DIY home upgrades that don't just make your living space more beautiful. They have the potential to significantly boost, and in some cases even double, the value of your home. Whether you're preparing to sell, hoping to build equity, or simply want to enjoy a refreshed environment, understanding which projects offer the best return on investment is crucial. The housing market is more competitive than ever, and with buyers seeking move-in-ready properties that stand out from the crowd, making the right improvements can be a game changer. First, let's address a common misconception. Many people believe that only major renovations, think tearing down walls, adding new rooms, or installing luxury amenities, can move the needle on home value. The challenge for most homeowners is the high cost and disruption these projects entail. A full-scale kitchen remodel, for example, can easily soar into the tens of thousands of dollars, and while it may add value, the return on investment isn't always guaranteed. Fortunately, recent data shows that targeted, cost-effective DIY upgrades often outperform these large-scale projects, both in terms of ROI and how quickly they pay off. So, which DIY upgrades should you consider if you want to make a real impact? Let's start with the kitchen, often called the heart of the home. Kitchens are one of the first places buyers look when evaluating a property, and even minor improvements can pay off in a big way. Instead of a full remodel, consider smaller, manageable projects. For instance, painting or staining your existing cabinets can completely transform the space for a fraction of the cost of replacement. According to recent figures, this kind of cabinet refresh can offer a return on investment of up to 85.7%. If your countertops are outdated, swapping them for modern, affordable alternatives like butcher block or laminate can also elevate the look. Updating fixtures, replacing old hardware, and adding a stylish backsplash are all DIY-friendly projects that give your kitchen a fresh, contemporary feel without breaking the bank. Next, let's talk about bathrooms, another high-impact area for value-conscious homeowners. You don't need to gut the space to make a big impression. Simple upgrades like re-grouting tile, installing a new vanity or mirror, swapping out dated lighting for sleek, energy-efficient options, or even just applying a fresh coat of paint in a modern, neutral shade can make a huge difference. These changes are not only affordable, but also relatively easy to tackle over a weekend. A well-presented bathroom signals to buyers that the home has been cared for and updated, which can translate to higher offers and faster sales. But perhaps one of the most overlooked and lucrative DIY upgrades is enhancing your home's curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your home is the first thing buyers and guests see. Simple landscaping projects like mowing the lawn, pruning overgrown shrubs, planting colorful flowers, or adding fresh mulch can dramatically boost visual appeal. Even power washing the driveway and sidewalk, painting or replacing the front door, and cleaning the windows can create a welcoming atmosphere. Recent studies reveal that homes with good curb appeal can sell for an average of 7% more than similar homes with neglected exteriors. In some regions, the returns can even exceed 300%, making curb appeal one of the smartest investments you can make. Now, let's reveal the most impactful DIY upgrade of all, the one that, according to the latest data, offers an astonishing ROI and has the potential to double your investment. It might surprise you, but replacing your garage door is currently ranked as the #1 home improvement for return on investment. According to the 2024 Cost versus Value report, a new garage door can recoup approximately 194% of its cost at resale. This means that not only do you get your money back, but you also gain almost as much again in added value. Why is this upgrade so effective? A new garage door instantly modernizes your home's facade, improves security, and enhances energy efficiency. It's a relatively simple DIY project for those with basic skills, and the transformation is immediate. Homeowners who have made this upgrade often report increased interest from buyers and faster sales, making it an unbeatable choice for both value and impact. Flooring is another DIY project that shouldn't be underestimated. Luxury vinyl flooring, for instance, has become increasingly popular because it mimics the look of hardwood or stone, but comes at a much lower cost and is easier to install. Homes featuring new luxury vinyl flooring have been shown to sell for nearly 1% more than expected, a significant boost in competitive markets. The best part? Vinyl planks can often be installed over existing floors, making this a weekend project with big rewards. To summarize, the path to dramatically increasing your home's value doesn't have to be daunting or expensive. Strategic DIY upgrades, like updating your kitchen with painted cabinets and new hardware, refreshing your bathroom with modern fixtures and finishes, and enhancing your home's curb appeal with thoughtful landscaping, can all yield impressive returns. But if you're looking for the single most powerful upgrade with the highest ROI, replacing your garage door stands out as the clear winner, offering nearly double the value of the initial investment. Add to this the transformative effect of new luxury vinyl flooring, and you have a toolkit of projects that are both accessible and impactful. These improvements are more than just aesthetic. They send a message to buyers that your home is well-maintained, modern, and move-in ready. Whether you're hoping to sell in the near future or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful living space with the added benefit of increased equity, these DIY projects put control and value back in your hands. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about how to get the most from your home, from smart upgrades to market insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You'll get the latest advice, data-driven strategies, and inspiration for every step of your homeownership journey. Don't miss out on future updates that could help you unlock even more value from your biggest investment.